Welcome to EDU World Space.
We want to label the period or find the period. And let's say we start at 0. The period is how much time along the x-axis it takes to return back to one full cycle. And we can see that it takes pi units. So we would say that the period is pi. The amplitude from that midline will be how far down and up it goes from that midline. So from -2 up to 1 and from -2 down to 5, that would be an amplitude of 3 units. The midline is that baseline. Again, if we were labeling, this would be the amplitude. Amplitude is 3 and the period is pi. We've got the midline. Now, if you know much about how the sine and cosine begin, the typical sine graph I'll do in green. It starts at 0, 0 and has a, that's not 0, 0, here's 0, 0. It starts at the origin and it goes, um, it has a period of 2 pi. And it has an amplitude of 1. So since at that baseline of the parent graph still includes a value on like at the midline of the function, I think that we should use sine. And so we can say that the function is negative sine though, because it is reflected over that baseline. And so we would say -3 sine, and instead of just x, because that would imply a period of 2 pi, we have a horizontal shrink by a half. So that would be sine of 2x. -3 sine 2x. We could check it in a calculator if needed. I think you'll find a match. Once, that is, you have to shift the baseline down, which I neglected to do yet. You have to shift that down 2. And down 2 would be just a -2 at the end. So final answer, -3 sine 2x minus 2.